Till the 8th problem we have completed in the previous class. So 9th one, see here. Is it visible to you? Board. What is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the question is given to you.
Yes, sir.
I will explain the question to you. First, see here. In a parallelogram ABCD, 2 points P and Q. Parallelogram ABCD bola. So let us draw the parallelogram ABCD. Figure is given. If the figure is given also, you should be in a position to draw it. ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay. And 2 points P and Q are taken on the diagonal BD. On the diagonal BD, P and Q are the points taken such that BP is equals to QD. BP is equals to QD. Okay, here P it is taken. Sorry. Here Q it is taken in the figure. Okay, DP is equals to BQ. Okay, and asking you to prove APD triangle. APD. So A to P join her. One line. CQB. CQB triangle. And the third question is AQB. AQB. So first question is given to you, right? What is given? Let us write here. Given ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, it is given to you. And also DP is equals to BQ. The first thing is to prove. What is to prove? I am writing here. Triangle APD is congruent to triangle CQB. These two, it is asking you to prove the congruence. Okay. So how do you prove? First, whenever the question is given, see here, you are not supposed to see the geometry problems passively. Passive listening nahi hona. Passive listening is nothing but okay ऐसा दिया तो whenever the triangle is given आपका eyes उस triangle पे जाना है line में ऐसा आपका rays होता है eye rays that eye rays से oh ये identify करना है you have to identify that. So here what is given APD like this. Okay, this one. Okay, this one CQB. So in this APD में ये इसका इक्वल है वो तो पता है. Okay, so this is given to you equal, and still what is possible to us to take into consider to prove that these two are equal as it is a parallelogram. थोड़ा सोच लीजिए. Don't say if you know the answer now itself. Everyone have to think. Everyone have to think. Okay, now what is given to us? ये given दोनों ध्यान में रखना. With the help of that parallelogram means parallelogram properties लेना है. Properties means बोले तो this AB and BC are equal. So A equal, A equal, A equal, A equal, and the included angle is also equal. Why? Alternate interior angles, because so in this you can say that APD triangle में you can say that AD in the APD triangle is equals to BC. What is the reason? Opposite sides of parallelogram. Okay. Next, in the same way, DP is equals to BQ. This is given to us. And angle ADP in this triangle, ADP equal to सी ए डी की ना सी बी क्यू सी बी क्यू सी बी क्यू because reason is what alternate angle
ऑल्टरनेट एंगल्स।
हाँ
नो सर, वही बोला सर, मैंने बोला ऑल्टरनेट एंगल्स।
therefore by what comprehension you can say by
यस सर।
SAS congruency you can say that triangle APB is congruent to triangle CQE. So therefore, by CPCP, second part, corresponding parts of congruent triangle from this, you can say that this line is equal to this line. AB is equals to CQ. This is only the second proof is asking you to prove. Second. So third one, what is asking you to prove? To prove. If you want, you can write here to prove triangle AQB, this one.
सर सीपीसीटी से सर एपी इज इक्वल टू सी क्यू बोल सकते हैं क्या?
हाँ, how क्या? How? What to do? Otherwise,
ओ यस सर बोल सकते हैं, मैंने गलत देखा सर।
AP, CQ.
यस सर।
After proving this one, automatically second one is directly दोनों interlinked. Okay, AQB triangle, this triangle and CPD triangle. To prove triangle CPD triangle. These two triangles congruent होता है, same as it is.
हाँ सर, दो साइड इक्वल।
If you want to write in the same pattern, you can write the same pattern. In this AB, opposite side CD, AB is equals to CD, opposite sides of parallelogram. Opposite sides of parallelogram. AB equal to CD. And in the same way, AQ is equals to CP. AQ equal to CP, yeah? No. That is, we have to prove it. AQ equal to CP. You are not supposed to write that one. What you have to write? PQ. QB. Either QB or PQ you can write. In this PQ equal to DP. This is given. Okay. And this angle is equals to this angle. Two lines angle. So what are the angles? You can say this angle is ABQ angle. ABQ angle. Angle ABQ is equals to CDP. Alternate interior angles. हो गया? Same by CPCP. Triangle AQB is congruent to triangle CPD. AQB is congruent to triangle CPD. So therefore, this is asking you to prove in the third part. And in the fourth, what is asking you to prove? To prove what is AQ
is equal to CP.
AQ is equals to CP. AQ is equals to
सीपीसीटी से हो जाएगा ना?
yes. By CPCP of triangle AQB is it visible to you?
नहीं सर, थोड़ा नीचे जा रहा है, अभी नीचे गया।
ये वाला नीचे जा रहा है लाइन।
हाँ सर।
विजिबल नहीं है?
विजिबल है सर।
Okay. I will not write this much down. Don't worry. So ये तो हो गया ना, ये सबको पता है। Next thing is asking to you to prove fifth one. To prove APCQ. To prove APCQ is parallelogram to prove. So how do
सर
yes
सर
हाँ
सर पैरेलल किसी भी चीज को अगर बोला कि पैरेललोग्राम प्रूफ करना है तो अगर ओनली ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल मींस वन पेयर ऑफ ऑपोजिट साइड्स टू पेयर ऑफ ऑपोजिट साइड्स सर इक्वल बोल के बोल दिया तो सर बोल सकते क्या पैरेललोग्राम है?
प्रूफ बोल सकते हैं, that is here you can write it, that you can write, that's not I'm saying wrong, but the exact definition of the parallelogram is opposite sides are parallel,
इक्वल एंड पैरेलल।
two pair of opposite sides of the parallel in a quadrilateral, then it is a parallelogram. That is a thing. Okay, is it okay?
यस
Sir,
सर।
I have a doubt.
Hello,
Sir,
हाँ बोलो बेटा।
in proof 4, you write that by CPCT triangle AQB congruent to. Here by CPCT is used or by SAS congruence.
Oh, sorry. Ah, yes. By SAS congruence. Sorry. Good. SAS congruence. Okay. APCQ is already here second part में AP equal to CQ लिखा है, and here AQ equal means AP is equals to CQ, AQ is equal to CP here.
हाँ सर वही बोल रहा था मैं।
Opposite sides are equal here. So in the quadrilateral, if opposite sides are equal, then you can say that it is parallel. But can you prove that one also? Can you prove that one also?
Which one sir?
Opposite sides equal होता है तो suppose if I am asking that, prove that, I am asking a question to you that prove that if opposite sides of a quadrilateral, two pair of opposite sides of a quadrilateral are equal, then it is parallelogram. Prove करो, इधर equal है, equal दे दिया है, ये AP equal to CQ दे दिया है, CP equal to AQ दे दिया, and I am asking you to prove it is a parallelogram.
Yes, sir, we can prove it.
How?
Sir, because we can see that here QP is a transversal. And sir, no. QP means QP is a line and AP and QC are equal length. And by congruency of two triangles, we can say that angle PQC and angle QPA are equal. So, converse of alternate interior angles, by converse of alternate interior angles, we can prove that AP is parallel to QC.
Very good. But what congruency you can prove? Anyone understood what she said? She said very well, correctly. You should be ready to.
Yes sir, yes sir.
समझ में आया? Okay, but you missed the one point. ये दोनों triangles congruent prove करना है. What are the two triangles to be congruent? AQP triangle and AQP triangle, CPQ triangle are congruent. By what congruency they are congruent?
So by SSS, side.
SSS congruency, you can prove that. You can prove that by SSS congruency. So better it's not take more time. If you prove that, whenever you are proving that AQP CPQ are congruent, so this angle equal to this angle आ जाएगा, isn't it? Angles equal, and along with that, you can say that whenever you are saying that this angle equal to this angle. So can you say that it is one? Which one is a transversal? You can take into consider. So you can say that these two are if you are extending. ये दोनों को extend करो. ये दोनों alternate interior angles होता है. Alternate interior angles होता है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Then you can say that this is parallel to this one. Main thing is parallelogram. Parallel prove करना है. If you write directly, one is with interlinked, other thing means instead of doing like that, better you say that triangles consider करो. Okay, in triangle AQP and triangle CPQ. In this AQ is equals to CP. AQ is equals to CP. From fourth result. and QP is equals to QP, common. Okay, and from this AP is equals to CQ from second result. Second results by SAS congruency. By SAS congruency, triangle AQP is congruent to triangle CPQ. So from this angles equal proof.
सर आपने तो फिर तीनों सर साइड लिखा है यहाँ पे, तो एस से एस कैसे है सर?
Okay, sorry. So SSS congruency. Okay. Now here you can say that angle AQP is equals to angle CPQ by CPC. Isn't it? CPC.
Yes, sir.
So now here therefore alternate angles are equal.
सर सीपीसीटी में अल्टरनेट एंगल्स एंगल दिखाया इसलिए उसके बाद पैरेलल होगा, मतलब दो लाइन।
ये normal lines है. Therefore you can say that AQ is parallel to CP. Now after you can write similarly this angle is equals to this angle as well by the CPCT. Similarly by CPCT from this only ये triangles. You can say that CQP, APQ, CQP, angle AQP is equals to angle CQP. Therefore, you can say that this implies as alternate angles are equal,
Sir, your video is not visible. Yes, sir.
not visible. No, 1 minute.
Now,
Just 1 second, sometimes it disturbs. Just 1 second, sometimes it disturbs, 1 or 2 sometimes. So alternate angles are equal. Then from this you can say that you can say that AP is parallel to CQ. AP is parallel to CQ. Okay. Therefore, opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. Therefore, you can say that APCQ is a parallelogram. So, from this you have learned how do we prove that if opposite. That means actually you can write since opposite sides are equal in the range, two pair of opposite sides are actually parallelogram to prove parallelogram. You can say that opposite sides are equal. If two pair of opposite sides are equal, you can say that it is. Is that so? Okay. If two pair of opposite sides are equal, you can say that directly they are parallel. Two pair of opposite sides. Or you can say
हाँ
that
सर,
one.
पहले बोल रहा था मैं ये।
But better you write the proof now. That also better you write. You know, you should know. If you know that, you will get practice. That's all.
यस सर, यस सर,
Problem समझ में आया ना?
सर यस सर।
Next 10th problem. ये ज्यादा लेंथ लग रहा होगा आप लोगों को, but length में ना I made it. But you can write in a easiest way. So nothing is there in this problem. See here completely analyze करना है problem को. See, if you analyze the problem, see, then it is an easy task for you to do this. The 10th problem, see here, I will explain to you without writing the steps. Steps बिना लिख के मैं explain करता हूँ. Without writing the steps, orally figure को analyze करना है. You have to analyze the figure. ABCD is a parallelogram is given to you like this. Okay, so ABCD parallelogram in this, and APCQ are the perpendiculars from the vertices A and C on the diagonal BD. BD का diagonal में AP is a perpendicular and CQ is perpendicular. AP and CQ are the perpendiculars. Now show that triangle A. So given what is given, okay, I told you to ask you to show that APD triangle, APB triangle, CQD triangle are congruent. APB, CQD. Like this, we have to analyze. Oh, this figure, we have to. So how can we prove these two congruent? What are the given things are there? Like this, we have to analyze. Okay, this is 90 degrees, this is 90 degrees. So both 90 degrees means RHS use कर सकते हैं. Okay, hypotenuse है, hypotenuse है. Outside side equal होना है. So we cannot say that this is equal to this one or this part equal to this part. We cannot say. We cannot prove now. So RHS cannot be used. Still, what you can use as it is given parallel analyzation. Your analyzation should be like this. Okay. So what parallelogram properties क्या है? वो opposite sides equal. ये दोनों equal area. So ये angle भी equal हो सकता है. So this angle equal to this angle, this angle equal to this angle, this angle. ये square angle equal to angles equal हो गया.
The side जैसे है ना AB is equal to DC because parallelograms opposite sides are equal.
हो गया, प्रॉब्लम खत्म हो गया. Then from that CPCT you can say that AP equal to CQ, AP equal to CQ प्रूव कर सकते हैं. समझ में आया? I did not write the steps. You can also figure. Practice करना है तो ये geometry problems. If you want to practice the geometry problems especially, what you have to do? Figure you have to draw. Figure draw करके analyze करना. हो एक बार practice हो. But better you write the steps. You have to learn how to write the steps. Steps कैसे लिखना है वो भी सीखना. Okay? समझ में आया? Let us move to the 11th question. 11th question बोल दो.
Yes, sir.
So problem is lengthy है. Here you need to do the 6 results. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF. AB is equal to DE. So here to draw this figure, ये figure draw करने के लिए like this triangles you have to take into consider. One triangle. Okay, it is given to you ABC. And here what dotted lines are given to you like this. You take the dotted lines and इधर से भी एक dotted line है. Okay, and ये दोनों को join करना. ये DE हो गया. Okay, next ये थोड़ा extend कर लो. ये F हो गया. समझ में आ रहा है? So what are the given things in this? Given AD is equals to, sorry, AB is equals to DE and AB is parallel to D. AB is parallel to D. These two things are given to it. Okay, and along with that, still what is given? BC is equals to BC is equals to EF and BC is parallel to EF. And first result is asking you to prove that ABCD is a parallelogram. How can you prove
And
ABCD?
ABED.
AB? Oh, sorry, ABED. एबीसीडी पैरेललोग्राम कैसे होगा? ABED ये पैरेललोग्राम होके प्रूव करना. How do you prove that it is a parallelogram? One pair of opposite sides are in this one pair AB and PE equal and as well as parallel. If one pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel, then it is a parallelogram. If
हाँ सर, दिया हुआ है.
वो तो पता है ना, one pair, if one pair is equal and as well as parallel, then you can say that it is a parallelogram. How can you say it is? Okay, I'm giving you one parallelogram. यही है ABED. इसमें given is ABDE equal and parallel also. ये दोनों इक्वल पैरेलल दे दिया. हाउ कैन यू प्रूव दैट? एक्चुअली पैरेललोग्राम बोल के प्रूव करना है तो ये पैरेललोग्राम बोल के प्रूव करना है. हियर इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी. यू कैन राइट डायरेक्टली वन पेयर ऑफ ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर पैरेलल एंड इक्वल, देयरफॉर इट इज पैरेललोग्राम. बट यू शुड नो दैट हाउ इट इज अ पैरेललोग्राम. पैरेललोग्राम का ओरिजिनल डेफिनेशन क्या है? Opposites, two pair of opposite sides parallel. One pair is parallel. We have to prove that these two parallel. How can you prove that two are parallel? इधर
तो सर एक डायगोनल,
ये प्रॉब्लम में प्रूव करने का जरूरत नहीं, बिकॉज ये प्रॉब्लम में ट्राई कर लिया तो पूरा गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. बिकॉज ड्रैगन यस यू टेल मी वेदांता.
सर एक डायगोनल ड्रॉ करेंगे सर.
Which diagonal? You tell me. Here.
सर AD पैरेलल BE लाइन लेना है सर, एंड AE एज ए डायगोनल.
AE diagonal. Okay, you are saying I'm right. Then after?
Just a minute.
Yes, everyone analyze. थोड़ा सोच लो.
Sir, can I say?
Wait. Let us give the chance. Antika, wait.
Okay, sir.
सोच लो. बाकी सब रिजल्ट्स, all the results are very simple results in this. Nothing else. ये आइडिया आना है. How do we prove it? How many students are there? 16. Yes. Anyone? Tell me.
सर
Sir,
सर उसमें AE एज ए फर्स्ट हम कॉमन लेंगे.
Common.
हाँ, उसके बाद सर AB इज इक्वल टू D गिवन होगा, और सर AD इज इक्वल टू BE भी तो होगा ना सर.
हाँ?
AD इज इक्वल टू BE.
How?
sir, can I say?
Wait, अंतिका. Simple logic. हमको क्या दे दिया है वो दिमाग में रखना है. What is given वो थोड़ा सोच लो. इसके साथ और क्या दे दिया है? ये दोनों इक्वल ले लिया, ये डायगोनल ड्रॉ कर लिया. That is okay. So these two are equal. Still, what is needed to us to prove? क्या चाहिए हमको?
Sir, one pair of lines are given
Sir,
that parallel and
alternate
equal.
angles.
And sir, now we
विष्णु का
can say
बोलो
that angle
Sir,
BAE and
alternate
DEA are equal.
एंगल
BAE
हाँ
and
alternate
DEA are
angle
equal
angle, sir.
because it is given that AB and D are parallel and equal.
triangles BAE triangle DEF triangles are congruent. If they are
Sir.
congruent, this side is equals to this side. Opposite sides lengths are equal. Therefore, it is a parallelogram.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I say that even these two, if it is, you have proved that, if you prove that these two triangles are parallelogram, congruent, ये दोनों triangles congruent प्रूव करने हैं. So हमको ये दोनों parallel प्रूव करना है. So automatically what you can say, these two sides are equal ना, opposite sides. ये इसको equal है, इसे पहले वाला प्रूफ में कर लिया. Opposite sides lengths are equal, then automatically it is parallelogram. Okay, समझ में आया? So but here,
Yes, sir.
if you do this problem, suppose this problem is given in exam, if it is do like this, problem becomes lengthy, very lengthy. You can write that since AB is equals to DE and AB is parallel to DE, opposite sides of quadrilateral are equal and parallel. They are equal and parallel. Therefore, you can say that ABED is parallelogram. Okay, I am going to explain to you the remaining part orally. The second result is asking to you to prove. Second result is BEFC. BEFC parallelogram. Same result. Same. Here it is given that BC is equals to EF. BC parallel to EF. So opposite sides are equal and parallel. So you can say that, and asking you to prove that AD is parallel to BE. AD is parallel to CF is asking. AD is parallel to CF you have to prove, and AD equal to CF you have to prove. Okay. These two results in the third result. So first thing here, we have proved that BEFC is parallelogram. BEFC is parallelogram. So from that you can say that BE is equal to CF. BE is equals to CF and BE is parallel to CF. Okay? सेकेंड रिजल्ट से अब फर्स्ट रिजल्ट क्या प्रूव कर लिया AD EB parallelogram. AD EB parallelogram is nothing but you can say that AD is BE is equals to AD. This BE is equals to AD and this BE is parallel to AD. If you properly observe this one, ये BE है, BE है, so ये दोनों equal हो जाएंगे, isn't it? So AD is equals to CF. In the same way, ये दोनों इधर BE लिखना है ना, BE parallel to CF, E, this is E, BE parallel to CF. Okay, so ये AD is equals to CF है, then you can say that ये BE parallel to CF, BE parallel to AD. This BE is parallel to AD, this BE is parallel to CF. So therefore BE is parallel to CF. AD is parallel to CF. You can write. Third result is that one only. AD parallel to CF, AD equal to CF. समझ में आया? Is it audible to you?
सर लास्ट वाला सर मुझे समझ में नहीं आया सर.
ये वाला.
हाँ सर मतलब ये जो आपने कहा 3 लाइन पूरा सुन.
Second result is asking to you to prove B E F C parallel. ये parallelogram हो गया, होगा ना? ये समझ में आया? Second result. ये पैरेललोग्राम होगा ना, बिकॉज फ्रॉम हियर दिस वन BCEF equal and parallel दे दिया, BECEF equal and parallel दे दिया. It is given, so BE and CEF equal and parallel. So opposite sides of the parallel means ये पैरेललोग्राम होगा ना.
यस सर, ये वाला आया सर.
ये तो सिंपल है. नाउ इफ यू सी दैट फर्स्ट रिजल्ट में हम लोग ये पैरेललोग्राम को कर दिया, ये ओके. सो इन दिस AD BE इक्वल एंड पैरेलल. सेकंड रिजल्ट में ये प्रूव कर दिया BECF इक्वल एंड पैरेलल. सो फ्रॉम द बॉडी दिस इज इक्वल टू दिस वन, दिस इज इक्वल टू दिस वन. AD equal to BE from first result, from the first result. AD equal to BE from the first result, and then BE equal to CF from the second result. So you can say that AD equal to CF now. Okay.
यस सर.
And in the same way parallel also. What is there in that? Nothing is there. Now ACFD is parallelogram. So when you say that one pair of opposite sides are parallel and equal, it is parallelogram.
यस सर.
है ना? One pair of opposite sides are parallel, equal and parallel, it is parallelogram. That also you can write. And fourth result हो गया. Fifth result में AC equal to DF. Since it is ACFD, this one, ACFD is a parallelogram. AC equal to DF हो गया. AC equal to DF, and asking you to prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DBF. So पहले तो ये दे दिया है, this is equal to this one, this is equal to this one दे दिया. हम we have proved AD equal to AC equal to DF. We have proved that AC equal to DF. ये क्वेश्चन आपको पता है, ये दोनों दे के प्रूव triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF क्वेश्चन दे दिया. Suppose if I am giving this one, then you have to do complete solution. ये फिगर नहीं दिया है. Suppose if I am not given the figure and I am going to give it to the question like this only, and giving to you question में parallelogram किधर भी mention नहीं है. आप सोच लो, question में in the options means what to prove, there it is mentioned parallelogram prove करो, parallelogram prove करो. But in the question what is given? A, B, C, D, E, F are triangles only given, and it is given that they are joined like this.
तो तब टफ होगा सर करना.
Question, suppose if it is given to you like this, complete solution you need to do. ये सारा prove करना है, because one is interlinked with that. One is interlinked. Suppose हम लोगों को ये दोनों triangles congruent prove करने के लिए ये this is equal to this one given, this is given to this one given. Okay, so but another sides are equal prove करना है by SSS congruent. ये दोनों equal prove करना है तो ये parallelogram prove करना है. ये parallelogram prove करने के लिए ये parallelogram prove करना है. BEFC. So like that all are interlinked. One is interlinked with the other. Okay, समझ में आया? Can you do it?
Yes, sir.
Let us move to the last and final problem, 12th problem. Will you try the 12th problem? I'll give the hint to you. Explain करके छोड़ देता हूँ. So what is given here? This is a very interesting result also. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to it is given to you ABCD is a trapezium so ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel. So here ABCD what is given to you? This is A, B, C, D. Okay? समझ में आया? And it is given that AD equal to BC. AD equal to BC. And AB parallel to which type of trapezium this is?
Isosceles trapezium.
It is called isosceles trapezium. It is called isosceles trapezium. And in this asking to you to prove angle A equal to angle B prove करना है, angle D equal to angle C prove करना है. And ABC triangle is congruent to triangle BAB. ABC triangle. First phase में ज़्यादा confuse मत हो. ये दोनों equal prove करना है, ये दोनों equal prove करना है. For that purpose, you have to extend this one to the some extent point to the E, such that ये AE equal to DC. AE is equals to DC. AB को extend करना है, one line draw करो. So here if you are extending this one, ये दोनों को extend कर. How we have to extend that one? So if you see that you have to extend this one to the one point such that DC को equal होने का extend करना. And ये दो. Now if you see that A B C E, what is this one? In this parallel to this one and it is equal to this one. We have to construct such that AB को extend करना है. ये C से एक लाइन you can कंस्ट्रक्शन में आप दो तरफ बोल सकते हैं. You can write that extend AB to E such that AE is equals to DC. तो भी ये पैरेललोग्राम हो सकता है. This line you can write. In your textbook it is given that extend AB to E, AB to AB को E को extend करना है, C से एक parallel ड्रा करना है. From here you have to draw. Otherwise you can write that CE parallel to draw CE. ये parallel to AD. AD को parallel ड्रा करो. Such that so that what you get in this situation opposite sides are parallel. ये पैरेलल इसको दे दिया है, ये दोनों पैरेलल हम ड्रा कर लेना है लाइक दिस. बोथ मीनिंग आर सेम. मेन थिंग इज वी नीड टू फॉर्म ए पैरेललोग्राम. पैरेललोग्राम फॉर्म करना है. ओके, पैरेललोग्राम फॉर्म हो गया. ये पैरेललोग्राम हो गया, ये बड़ा. नाउ व्हाट टू प्रूव हियर? वी हैव टू प्रूव these two angles are equal प्रूव करना है. So how can we prove that two angles are equal? You see here, observe properly when you are extending this one. थोड़ा observe करो. And what are the angles we are going to get it equal here?
सर
Yes.
सर मुझे सर एक चीज लग रहा है, मैं आपको थोड़ा मतलब बोल सकता हूँ क्या?
हाँ बोलो.
सर जो एक्सटीरियर एंगल होता है ना सर,
हाँ.
तो वो इज इक्वल टू तो सर एंगल ए इज इक्वल टू एंगल डी है ना?
ये क्या है? एक्सटीरियर. Which exterior angle? Where you are saying?
सी बी ई
C
बी ई बी 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 सर बी.
CBE. This
हाँ
one.
हाँ, ये वाला इज इक्वल टू एंगल डी प्लस एंगल ए है ना सर?
No. How?
Oh no sir, this is a trapezium. No. Sir.
Don't get confused and don't make others to confuse. Simple मैं बोलता हूँ, सुनो. See here. ये पैरेललोग्राम हो गया तो ये लाइन का इक्वल होगा ना? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Or it is given that this is equal to this one. This is okay? ये दोनों इक्वल हो गया. In this triangle consider two sides are equal. Then opposite sides are equal. X. And consider this as x, this as x. Okay?
Yes sir.
Okay.
Yes.
ये x बोले ये दोनों लीनियर पेयर है ना?
Yes sir.
तो क्या होगा? ये 180 minus x होगा. ये and ये interior angles on the same side of the transversal.
Oh yes sir. Yes sir.
तो ये क्या हो? 180 minus x. दोनों इक्वल हो गए.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
हो गया ना?
हाँ सर।
हो गया, ये दोनों इक्वल हो गया, सो ये दोनों भी इक्वल प्रूव कर सकते हैं ऑटोमेटिकली।
Sir,
हाँ, यस टेल मी।
sir, how you said that BC and EC are equal?
अरे बेटा, we have constructed, our construction is parallelogram. What you are saying, BC and CE equal कैसे है?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ये दोनों इक्वल दे दिया, this is equal to this one, it is given in the problem, isosceles trapezium, this is equal to this one दे दिया, and this is equal to this one as it is parallelogram, this is equal to this one as it is parallelogram, so ये इसको इक्वल है, ये इसको इक्वल है, so ये दोनों इक्वल होगा ना?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
हो गया, ये दोनों इक्वल बोलो तो ऑपोजिट एंगल्स इक्वल होगा, x x मान लो, इजी प्रूव कर, सी फिगर से कंप्लीट आंसर आ जाएगा आपको, like this if you are doing, but you have to know how to present it, that is also very essential. Okay, ये x है, ये x है, दोनों x हो गया, so ये 180 minus x, तो ये भी 180 minus x, क्यों? ये लीनियर है, ये पैरेललोग्राम है, ये x बोलो तो ये भी 180 minus x होगा।
हाँ सर, हाँ।
तो
Yes, sir.
ये दोनों इक्वल हो गया, हो गया, समझ में आया?
Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir.
So here, if you are taking like this, and how do you prove these two are equal? ये दोनों पैरेलल दे दिया ना, ये दोनों पैरेलल है ना, ये ट्रांसवर्सल मान लो, इंटीरियर एंगल सेम है, ये 180 minus x बोलो तो ये x होगा।
हाँ सर।
ये 180 minus x बोलो तो ये x होगा। Or you can say that ये x है, ये पैरेललोग्राम है, पैरेललोग्राम, ये x बोलो तो ये x होगा, ऑपोजिट एंगल्स आर इक्वल इन अ पैरेललोग्राम।
हाँ, ये मैंने सोचा, हाँ ये हो सकता है।
ये भी लिख सकते हैं आप, यू कैन आल्सो राइट दिस वन आल्सो। देखो ये ट्रांसवर्सल मान लो, ये x है, ये x है, तो ये x बोलो तो ये भी x है, ये भी x है, सो दिस एंगल, दिस एंगल, दिस एंगल, दिस एंगल ऑल इक्वल होगा, तो ये भी एंगल, ये इक्वल एंगल बी प्रूव कर लिया, एंगल सी इक्वल एंगल डी प्रूव कर लिया, एंड ट्रायंगल एबीसी इक्वल टू ट्रायंगल बीएडी, ट्रायंगल एबीसी, दिस वन congruent to BAD. Can you prove?
सर हम खुद ट्राई करते हैं सर।
ये पार्ट आप लोग ट्राई कर लीजिए।
हाँ सर, वही बोल रहे हैं।
प्रूव करने के बाद डायगोनल ए से इक्वल टू BD आ जाएगा। So see here, this is this one equal to this one। ये I am drawing ABC ट्रायंगल, BAD ट्रायंगल, कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव करना। इसमें क्या क्या है हमारे पास? ये पैरेलल टू ये है, एंड ये BC में BC होगा, BAD में AD होगा इक्वल, ये दोनों इक्वल है, ये दोनों पैरेलल है।
हाँ सर, हो जाएगा 3।
कंप्लीट करेंगे, इधर ही कंप्लीट
सर हम खुद करेंगे, चलिए खुद करेंगे सर, ये करके लास्ट क्लास में।
सुनो, कंप्लीट कर लो, थोड़ा बोल दो आइडिया है। सी हम लोग कैसे मूव करना है पता है? मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द सॉल्यूशन, हाउ डू वी मूव, यू नो, यू हैव टू नो दैट हमारे पास क्या क्या है वो देखना है। हमारे पास क्या क्या है? ये ABC ट्रायंगल हो रहा है, ऑलरेडी ABC ट्रायंगल में ये एंगल 180 माइनस x इक्वल एंगल E है, इक्वल प्रूव करना है। BAD बोल रहा है, व्हाट इज आस्किंग यू टू प्रूव ना? ट्रायंगल ABC कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू ट्रायंगल BAD, पैड ABC कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू BAD को कर, तो दिस एंगल इक्वल टू दिस एंगल, ओके, these two are parallel बोले तो if you draw that this you consider transversal, ये transversal consider करो, this angle equal to ये एंगल हो जाएगा, बट वी डोंट वांट दैट एंगल, वी वांट द एंगल ये इक्वल टू इसको इक्वल हो जाएगा, बट वी नीड द एंगल this angle already should not be taken into consider. So what to be taken into consider still?
So we can consider the sides.
Huh?
So we can consider the sides.
What side?
Sir, AB and AB both are common, and AD and BC both are equal given.
वो आइडिया ही नहीं आता, because triangles what we are taking, separate कर लो आप लोग, ये separate कर लो, ये ABC देखो, हैंडल ये दोनों कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव करना है, ये कॉमन है ना, ये कॉमन है, this is common and these two are equal, area and these we have equal proof कर लिया, ऐसे इस congruency हो गया, ये दोनों equal,
हाँ ये तो कॉमन है सर, हाँ हाँ ये भी इज इक्वल टू कॉमन है।
see that's why I'm saying ना, whenever you do one thing here, आप लोगों का आइडिया आने के लिए क्या करना पता है, ये ऐसा सोच रहे हो तो फिगर, एक ही फिगर में दो ट्रायंगल्स थे ना, वो आइडिया नहीं आते, वो ट्रायंगल्स को ऊपर कर लो ऐसा और दूसरी जगह में डाल दो सेपरेट, आपको आइडिया ऑटोमेटिकली आ जाएगा। ये व्हाट द ट्रायंगल्स टू हियर, ये इसी फिगर में देख रहे हो तो क्लमजी हो जाएगा पूरा, अब उधर देख रहे हो तो और क्लमजी हो जाएगा, इधर देख रहे हो तो और क्लमजी हो जाएगा, बहुत ज्यादा मिक्स हो जाएगा ना, तो इसके लिए मैंने ये पार्ट को हटा के इधर रख दिया, तो भी कंफ्यूज हो रहे हैं, इसलिए दो पार्ट को सेपरेट करके इधर रख दिया, हो गया।
हाँ सर आ गया सर समझ, यस सर, यस सर।
So with this we are completed. Tomorrow we'll have the midpoint theorem prove करके and remaining करते हैं. But see here, my advice to you that immediately you have to, आज बोला है ना, शाम को क्या करना है ना, फिगर ड्रा करो, एटलीस्ट आज फिगर ड्रा करके एनालाइज करो, वो ये है, ये है, वो ये ऐसा है, ये ऐसा है, बस you are going to get the solution. Then after practice karo, how to write also is very important. Okay, thank you, you can leave.